21. A class has 50 students. Use the second row of digits in the random number table below to select a simple random sample of 3 students. If the students are numbered 1 through 50, what are the numbers of the 3 students selected? So we're using this row to choose these 3 students. 64 is too large, 95 is too large, 52 is too large, but 43 is not. So 43 is the first numbered student that we're taking. 20 is also not too large, so that's fine. 97 is too large, but then 44 comes next. So the 3 students chosen will be 43, 20, and 44. Then for question number 22, we have a study of bulimia among college women studied the connection between childhood sexual abuse and a measure of family cohesion. The higher the score, the greater the cohesion. The sample mean on the family cohesion scale was 2.2 for 11 sexually abused students, a sample standard deviation of 2.4, and 5.2 for 24 non-abused students, sample standard deviation of 3.1. We first want the standard error for comparing the means. We could certainly do that by hand, but we could also use the template I have here to the right. So we had the sample mean of 2.2 for the first one, sample standard deviation 2.4, sample size of 11. The second one here, we had a mean of 5.2, standard deviation of 3.1, and sample size of 24. And we could see in this template, not that far, we could see in this template that we have a standard error right here of 0.96. We want this to 4 digits though, so let me not round that as much. So that's 0.9613. So the standard error denoted by SE is 0.9613, 4 decimal point values. And then we want to construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference between the mean family cohesion for sexually abused students and non-abused students, and then interpret. So this confidence interval, which I already have calculated over here, is between negative 4.98 and negative 1.02. So to write that as a complete sentence would be the 95% confidence interval for, and I'll write this one out because it is a pain to type, the mean for the sexually abused students minus the mean of the non-sexually abused students, is from, according to this, negative 4.98 rounded into 2 decimal point values to negative 1.02. Okay. And then the values in the 95% confidence interval are less than 0, which implies that the population mean for sexually abused students is less than population mean for non-abused students.